Hello viewers, in this video I'll show how to solve WhatsApp. Sorry, this media file appears to be missing. Please ask to resend it. Let's see how to solve this problem. Go to phone setting, scroll down, click on app management and click on app list. Search or find out WhatsApp. Tap on storage and cache. Tap on clear cache. Now go to Play Store. Click on search bar and search WhatsApp. Update WhatsApp app if available on Play Store. Problem solved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.